Today, we're adding the RGB split effect, which creates that cool chromatic aberration look where the red, green, and blue channels split apart for a glitchy, futuristic vibe. First, select your video clip in the timeline. Now, tap on Effects from the bottom toolbar, head over to the RGB section, and you'll see a few different RGB split variations. Some are more subtle and others give you a stronger split. Tap on the one that fits your project and it will be added directly onto your clip. Next, let's adjust the duration. On your timeline, just drag the yellow handles left or right to control how long the effect stays on screen. Here's a pro tip. Tap on the effect again and you'll see extra settings pop up. The key one here is the period slider. This lets you control how fast and intense the RGB split animation plays. Sliding it up makes the effect more energetic, while lowering it keeps it subtle. Once you're happy, preview your video and that's it. You've successfully added and customized the RGB split effect in VN Video Editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more VN editing tips.